Noel, do you want to give the recipe? You say 2 cups baking soda, 1.5 cups water, 1 cup cornstarch. Stir until smooth. Boil over medium heat. Can you say boil? Medium heat until thick. Drop onto wax paper. Yay! Play-Doh!